before, may God bless Fiji forevermore.
Your Excellency, I now have the honor to announce that the investiture ceremony for Fiji's Honorary Consul in Surabaya, Indonesia, shall now begin. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the recipient for this award has supported and continued to support initiatives that Fiji advocates through Fiji's mission in Indonesia. His close association with Fiji has been the direct result of Fiji's mission presence in Indonesia, strengthening diplomatic relations between our two nations. He has made innumerable philanthropic contributions to worthy causes in Fiji and to the Fiji mission. Notable contributions have been to charitable organizations such as the Foundation for the Education Needy Children in Fiji or Thank Fiji. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, additional goodwill contributions to the Fiji mission in Indonesia have included assistive donations to Tropical Cyclone Winston recovery efforts in 2016, as well as country's ceremonial and logistical efforts that our Fiji mission engages in. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the recipient is 72 years of age and is an accomplished individual. Your Excellency, to receive the insignia of the Honorary Companion of the Order of Fiji, the highest in the Order of Fiji in the General Division for eminent achievement and merit of the highest degree for service to Fiji or to humanity at large, Fiji's Honorary Consul at Surabaya, Indonesia, Dato Sri Professor Dr. Tahir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Your Excellency, I also have the honor to announce the investiture ceremony for Senior Superintendent of Police, Fiji Police Force, Kasiano, Vusonilawe. Your Excellency, Senior Superintendent Kasiano Vusonilawe is going to receive the Fiji Police Medal, which is awarded to any police officer, including any special constable for the Fiji Police. And the medal is awarded for examples of conspicuous bravery in the performance of police duties, valuable service characterized by resourcefulness and devotion to duty, including prolonged service, marked by exceptional ability, merit, and exceptional conduct, distinguished command, leadership, and organizing achievement. Your Excellency, to receive his award, Senior Superintendent of Police of the Fiji Police Force, Kasiano Vusonilawe. Your Excellency, while we're at that, Senior Superintendent of Police, Kasiano Vusonilawe, also received Fiji Police Force Long Service Medal for his long service and good conduct with the Fiji Police Force. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, here concludes the investiture ceremony for this afternoon.